Okay, so this quantum physics goes back a long time. So this is talking about 1690. Alright, so by the age of enlightenment in the 17th century, several renowned European scientists started to think differently about light. In 1690, Christian Huygens, a Dutch mathematician and astronomer, proposed an equation describing light as a wave in his treatise on light. So all these physicists, they would actually write out a paper and submit it to the scientists into journals to get their work published. So he was saying that the universe is filled with an invisible material called ether, and that light is formed when a luminous body in the ether creates a sequence of waves or vibrations. So these waves go onward until they come in contact with our eyes to produce vision. Even though his equation was flawed, it marked an important step in our understanding. So that was Christian Huygens in 1690. So that's how old quantum physics has been around. It started way back then. Alright, so here's another example too. In 1801, Thomas Young published his paper on the theory of light and color to the Royal Society. So with a single experiment involving only a piece of metal and a couple slits, he bravely refuted 100 years of Newtonian beliefs about the true nature of light. So that was 1801. Thomas Young, he was doing experiments with light. So there's a lot of good information in books like this. So there's 1915. They're talking about Einstein in 1915 and his theory of general relativity. Alright, so this gives you a lot of really good information here. These books like this. I'll share the link to this as well, and it helps explain a lot of things.